How to create product roadmap in ClickUp. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a product roadmap in ClickUp. If you don't know yet, ClickUp is a work management tools that lets you have a workspace so you can manage all your tasks, all your details and others. And in this video, we're gonna use ClickUp for create a product roadmap. So first you can open your ClickUp dashboard, and then as you can see on the left side there are the space. So basically I have several space. You have to choose the space you want to add the product roadmap templates. So let's say I'm gonna add in this space, theme space, and then you can click plus icon here and then go to template, click on it. So this is the template center. We're gonna use a template from ClickUp because it will be easier for us rather than just create it from scratch. So you can check all of the type and all of the template types, and then after that you can go ahead to the search box and you can search product roadmap, select that, and we'll find the only template here. You can click it. So this is the description, you can read it. Also, there are some features, status groups, and then custom fields, a lot of them. And then also tags and view types. There are 5 view types, and also the automation if you need it. I think this is very good. And then you can just click use template if you want to use this template. And then you can name the template, let's say uh, roadmap, just like that. And then you can import something if you have a data or information, and then you can just click use template here. Oops, I think the feature is available on your current plan. Okay, so basically if I want to use this template I have to upgrade. And then yeah, if you see this video, I'm sorry if you don't upgrade, you cannot use this template. But yeah, you have to upgrade and then use the template, and then you can just explore more. uh, I believe there are very good feature in the templates, and then you can just modify as you want. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.